Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now
daycare worker in the Bronx arrested on child pornography charges.
Child porn. Children missing from a Houston CPS facility.
Can help identify a baby at the center of a sexual exploitation case.
Let's go down, let's go